Hey guys, Zeb here. Today we're going to be talking about personal goal setting. I just want to say it is possible. All right? Whatever adversity you are facing today, guys, just know that it's possible. Gosh, I can't say that enough because so many people say, I can't do that. I can't do that. I have this excuse and complain, blah, blah, blah. Stop it. It's possible, man. Anybody can do this, right? You will overcome it. You will be successful and you will reach your goals. You just need to take massive action right now. All right? So, what is it that you have wanted to do for a long time but haven't done it? Right? So, keep that in your mind. What is it that you have wanted to do for a long time but haven't done it? Figure out what you want to do in life. Understand that you want to you want out of life what you want out of life. It's not what you want of life. All right? So just figure out, is it something that is going to make me happy? Will this make you happy once you figure it out? And the answer is yes. What are your goals? What makes you fulfilled? What makes you happy? What do you want to succeed in? Is it that job that you're currently in? If you want to be successful in that job, then seek progression, right? Be the best that you can be on the next level. And you will get success in that current job. If you want to do something else, then go do it. Take action. All right? So it always comes back to taking massive freaking action. Growth brings progression. Progression brings fulfillment. Guys, so I can't say that enough. Growth brings progression. Progression brings fulfillment. Tony Robbins says all the time, fulfillment is achieved through progression. Once you guys are stagnant in life and are in this constant pattern and not making any progress or working on yourself, at that point in time, you're not going to be happy or fulfilled with your life. You're going to be stuck in this rut and you're going to be like miserable. You're not going to like your job. You're not going to like the people you hang out with. You're going to be disappointed with life. You're going to come home. You're waiting. You start work on Monday and all you can wait for is Friday. Don't do that. Don't live that lifestyle. All right? Don't worry about what he or she thinks or what they want you to do. Right? So who cares what he wants you to do, she wants you to do, or what they all want you to do? You do what you want to do. Understand, you have the power to control your life and your outcome. Right? Do not let your current situation dictate your outcome of the future. That's like, why would you let somebody else control your destiny? It's so wrong that we even think that way, but you know, the average person gives up on their dreams by the age of 22. Right? So why is that? It's because we're bred that way, right? We go through school, go to college, go get a job, work there for the rest of your life. When you had this dream when you were younger and you forgot all about it because you get stuck in the system. All right, so if you want to launch that business, what are you waiting for, right? So if you want to launch an affiliate marketing business, what are you waiting for? Go do it. What is holding you up, right? Remember, imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time. You don't have to be perfect, guys. So many people want to be perfect before they start. I get stuck in that rut. I was stuck in that rut for a long time. I would read books after book after book, video after video after video. Then I realized, holy shit, I went downstairs to make a video, and here I am 2 hours later. I haven't even started because I've been researching about what I want to talk about or whatever it is. And now I've learned, if I do that, I go downstairs and I put out a freaking video. Take action. Make it massive. And your audience will follow you. And you won't be stuck in this stupid rut, right? So many people are stuck on it. Has to be perfect before they start this business. Don't do it. Remember, imperfect action beats perfect inaction every single time. People always say, I'm too scared to start, or I'm too scared to chase my dreams. Now, if you want that job, I get it. I have a job. I've had a job that has put food on my table for most of my life. I get it, right? I need a job. I need a full-time job. I have a full-time job, but I would love to be able to get out of it. And in order for me to get out of it, I have to do these things that are out of my comfort zone, right? If I don't do these things that are out of my comfort zone, if I don't put out videos or blog posts or Facebook posts and share my progress and all this stuff that builds my audience and my following, I'm never going to get out of it, right? I'm going to be stuck. And I want to get out of it. So I get it, guys. If you're stuck in this job and you don't have nowhere to look, you're always talking about, man, if I just had that couple extra bucks, I could do this. And all that is an excuse, guys. It's just an excuse. Anybody can make an extra income. Anybody can go out and mow grass and get an extra $250 or extra $1,000 that month to go invest into bettering yourself, right? So that's one thing we all have to realize, especially in America. I mean, there's so many opportunities. Many of us work 40 hours and give up instead of putting that extra 20 hours in every week, or the extra 40 hours to put us at 80 hours to get us out of where we're currently at. People won't do it. They'll rather just put in their 80 and then complain about it, or put in their 40. You know, it blows my mind how people think, and I get it because I've been there, and it sucks, right? It sucks that we are in a society that makes us think that way. You know, I'm tired of being with the 97%. I want to be with the 3% that's living the lifestyle. All right, if you do want to stick with that job that you currently have, then that's fine. It's okay. Just be the best you can be. Because remember, progression equals growth, right? Progress equals happiness. That's all I'm saying here, guys. So as long as you're making progress, whether it's in your current job or stepping out of your comfort zone and starting something on your own, opening your own business, online marketing, network marketing, no matter what it is, just make progress and you will become happier. All right? Now, if that's not what you want to find out, or what you want, you just need to go after it. Chase it, guys. Just go after what you want. It's your dream. Chase it. All right? So just understand that it is possible. So again, whatever you guys want, have a burning desire for, and don't just stop until you get it. All right? Keep going until you get it. Build that burning desire until everything you do is wrapped around what you want to do. Set a goal for yourself, right? Set goals, make a vision board, and just freaking go after it. That's all I can say. It's so important to, like, I want to live that lifestyle. I want to be on the beach. I want to have that extra $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 a month, so I can do what I want to do. All right, so guys, just keep that in mind. Remember, progression equals, or growth equals progression equals growth, and that is all I'm saying. All right, guys, peace out. That's it today. Remember, it is my goal to help you figure this shit out. Hope this provided you some value, and if it did, please comment below and let me know. Remember to like this video, hit the subscribe button. Please give me some comments. Let me know what you like, what you don't like, would like to see in the future videos. Peace out, and I'll see you on the next video.